Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasyapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Sarkar Jala ka balalumnya ka Jingyalang jongki Chief Executive Member jongki Laitili ki Autonomous District Council haka khat laiterik unaiweng arajar khat kendai kala panjungmut bat panru ka Jingyatrailang khnang baka jingpentrekam ya ka ain Meghalaya Residence Safety and Security Act arajar khat nreu kan nomlong ka jingpenwet bat ka jingpendik ya ki breu ki banabar Jala ki bawanrung sapa upur usam ka Jala Meghalaya. Menteri Ketna District Council Affairs James P.K. Sangma haka jinge keren bat gilat patai kubor ulayatho bahagani ka jinge lang layather yatai sani bha bat ki CEM jongki Laitili ki Autonomous District Council khnang baka jingpentrekam yakani ka an kabarang pha mentasha ulat ka Jala banyo jing menjur kannom kta ya ka rung kami jongki brio banabar. Kumban sikadaw hangne dang sien ka kanhon menteri jong ka Sarkar Jala kala menjur ban wanra daga jingpen baik thamai yaki kendon jong ka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act arajar khaten reu hakaba on pentrekam no mardor lengba ka ordinance hapo ka Jala barok kawai tang hadien bala yo ya ka jing menjur na ulat ka Jala.
We discussed this matter just to inform them that this has been given by the cabinet and presently rules are being framed, and that if they have any concerns about it, whether it will cause harassment or inconvenience to people, namely tourists who are visiting our state, we would like to allay those fears and to assure that this will in no way cause any inconvenience, because we will have a very a sort of a mechanism which will ensure that the process is very smooth. So this was just to brief the three district councils about that. So we just wanted to allay the fears which they may have. So there was just an exercise which was wherein we had an interactive session with them, wherein we asked and then we made it very clear that the system is going to be such that it will not be so complicated. It will be very simple, whereby visitors or tourists who come in will not feel any kind of inconvenience